Hi, my name is Hannah and welcome to my second demo for Review Board. The first project I'm demoing is improving the administration UI for new users. When a user sees the administration UI for the first time, it's not very clear what they need to do to get the Review Board server set up. This project involves creating an interactive banner that shows the steps that a user needs to complete to get a working code review system, which I demoed previously. I've implemented some additional functionality this time around. In the last demo, the banner would be displayed on every administration page. The user didn't have much control over whether they wanted to see the banner or not. Even if the banner was dismissed by clicking this X in the top right corner, it would reappear if the user went to another page in the administration UI. Now, the user can toggle whether they want to show the banner using this checkbox under Support Settings. If this box is unchecked and the settings are saved, the banner won't reappear if it's been dismissed. If the banner wants to see it again, they just have to recheck the box and update their settings. Another downside of the banner in the last demo was how it would not persist state when the page was changed. This meant if the user viewed some of the slides so that these dots would become checked and then went to another page, their current slide and the slides they had viewed would be reset. Now, if users want to view some of the slides and go to another page in the administration UI, the slides they viewed already remain marked as viewed, and they can return to the same position they were previously in the slide set, like so. Another project I've been working on is improving the keyboard accessibility of the Diff viewer and adding keyboard shortcuts. In the Diff viewer, there are buttons to expand and collapse the diff. The expand buttons, or these pluses, are selectable with the keyboard via the tab key. However, the collapse buttons, or these icons, were not. I made the collapse button selectable with the keyboard like so, and it can be triggered by hitting the Enter key. In addition, I added keyboard shortcuts to expand and collapse the diff. The letter E will trigger the closest expand diff button if it exists, whereas the W key triggers the closest collapse diff button if it exists.